back to my YouTube channel. Today I would be making homemade stickers. For this, you will be needing a tape, some of markers or pens. Then this is a synthetic paper cover for books and all. Then a piece of paper, and that's all you need. And yes, a pair of scissors. Be careful. Now, you're gonna draw on your paper whatever you like, whatever you want to draw, and yeah, so I'm gonna draw now. Okay, so I'm gonna be drawing some leaves. So these are my leaves I drawed. Now I'm gonna be cutting them out, and be sure to not cut anything, the leaves, whatever you're making. Just cut it out as a sticker would do. So yeah. Now once you have that cut down, now you would need your parchment paper, but I'm using a synthetic book cover. You can use any paper that is basically smooth enough to, Now once that's done, you have your paper on the table. Now I would love you to just apply tape in 4 columns. If you have the big tape, then you just apply that tape one time. But if you have these type of tape, then apply 4 layers of it. Then after that, I'll see you. And then again, apply tape on it. So I'm gonna do that. So right now I have done putting the tape on. Now, we cut the paper out. Now we have to cut the sticker out. Make sure you don't ruin it. But cut like this, or however you're cutting it. So I'm gonna see you. So now it's cut it. Now you're gonna have a peeling part. So you have to peel it. So basically you have to peel it. So I'm gonna try to peel it. This sticker out, and it looks like this. Now I'm gonna apply it back of my diary. So yeah, like this. Looks so cute. I love it. I loved making the sticker. I hope it turned out good, because when I almost was doing it, it kind of ripped. So then I fixed it a little, and now it's like this. If it rips, then you can also apply the tape, like the edge of on the parchment paper or the synthetic book cover, so you can peel it off easily. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.